Welcome to the end of day podcast at the end of day, episode 3. And sometimes it's at the end of the day. I don't know. Not every day. But really interesting day. And I think there's a super easy pivot right now. I think it's 43.95 on the ES. We essentially had sellers come in right here in this zone, really heavy today. And they defended it pretty successfully. We didn't get too far above, but what was super interesting is they're invested right here. End of the day, there's a sell-off, and it's really, really big. Buyers came in with massive buys, and they got stuck exactly where sellers invested all their shorts into. So for me, that makes for a very easy pivot level because we know exactly where the sellers are. They're right here. And we know there's big buying going into this, and it got stopped. That doesn't make me bearish or bullish. I just think it equates to a very easy pivot level. So that's the reasoning behind this pivot level. Now, if we go into the weekly, I really like just this denial zone. We have a recent high here. Well, not recent. This is a long time ago. This is August of 22. And then the structure here, I just think it's a really beautiful place to potentially deny. But again, I'm coming in tomorrow with no bias. I think this pivot level will absolutely tell me everything I need to know with the price action behind it, of course. But if we open above, I'll actually reluctantly be bullish. We've had way too many daily green candles in a row for me. And if we open below, I'll probably short. That's what I got. What about you, Brian?
I definitely agree with the analysis in ES, especially the pivot level. Um, I typically don't make it so binary for myself, above a level or below level. It's not really my style. Could you bring up the same pivot level we found on the NQ?
It was roughly this area. It wasn't
Yeah.
exact.
It was a very similar situation. We had a big sell at the very end of the day, and the buyers came in hard and brought it right back to it. I'm not sure what time frame you're on, but
This is a 10-minute right now.
okay. So that's pretty much the level I think from what I remember from earlier today.
Yeah, it looks to be correct here.
Yeah. That and as far as NQ, we've gone up for 8 days in a row. I'm very curious to see what happens overnight with London and see if we can continue and push for a ninth day. I would like to see us take out the October 12th high. Looking for 15,465, a close above that would be very interesting. Otherwise, my guess is we'll probably fall back, but we'll have to wait and see. We're at one of those pivotal times. I'm going in with pretty much no bias tomorrow. Depending on what happens in the overnight session, I may have a plan in the morning afterwards, but that's pretty much all I got.
Yeah, same here. I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good luck.
See ya.